Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. So as we were solving the SQL questions, so let's start. Okay, so where were we? Let me quickly open SQL 50. Yep. Okay, so we have solved till now 18 questions. Okay, so let's solve the next. We have queries, quality and percentage. This is marked as easy. Let's say, is this really easy or not? Okay, so here we have queries, we have name, result, position, rating. This table may have duplicate rows. Okay, table contains information collected. What is that? It's like I was trying to solve sometimes backward. I didn't. Okay, so I think we haven't solved this, else it should be marked as green tick, but it is not, so we haven't solved this question yet. Okay, so contain duplicate rows. Okay, table contains information collected from some queries on a database. Cool. Position column has a value 1 to 500 and rating column has a value 1 to 5. Query with a rating less than 3 is a poor query. Okay, the query which has a the query which has a rating less than 3 is a poor query. Cool. We define query quality as the average of the ratio between query rating and its position. We have position, we have rating. Okay, we also define quality. We define using this parameters, and the poor quality percentage using this. The percentage of all queries with rating less than 3, okay, which has rating less than 3, that is a poor query. Okay, write a solution to find each query name with the quality and poor query percentage. Both should be rounded to 2 decimal places. Return the result table in any order. Okay. One, here position is 1, rating is 5, and we have to find the quality, and for the quality we have ratio between rating and position. Okay, so rating and position, we have to find the average. Yeah, 5, 1, 5, 2 and 1 to 100, and this is dog, and those are just done by query name. Where is, but we have to find each query name. Okay, which means we have to do something sort of group by with the query name. Okay, for this, and we have to call these, and this is the average for the quality and poor percentage. 1 by 3, which means okay, which has rating less than 3. Okay, 1 out of 3, 1 has a rating less than 3. And if we talk about the another one, 1 has rating less than 3 again, so that is 1 by 3, and this is the percentage. Cool. And here again this, and we are just calculating the what we have divided by the total count. Okay, so well, let's see how we can solve this. We have to select what? We have to select the query name, or we have to find the quality, and for the quality what we have to quality is your rating, and we have to calculate the average for your rating divided by your position. Cool. And we are giving it a name. Cool as your quality, one more thing. Okay, let's do with this. I want to show you something. Let me do a comment here. Suppose if we have this select and we have to divide this, so what will be the output? What do you think? This will give the output as 2. But if you observe here, we are getting the output in a decimal places. Okay, so we have to cast. We have to do the typecasting here. What we can do, we can just cast this into the float, and now we'll get the output is 2.5. Cool, because here we have to maintain this. We have like all the average we are getting in the percent or okay. So here what we will do, we will take these ratings and we will cast this into rating as float. Cool, and we are just dividing by the positions. Or we have to like round with it to decimal places. Oh no, so here we will round. Cool, and next we have to find again we have to here round as well, and here we have to count. So what we can do, we can just simply sum, and here we can use case when rating is less than 3 and then 1 else 0, and this we have to divide by the count of all the what we have start query names, and this will do the group by. Cool, and we have to count this, and we have rounded up to 2 decimal places. Perfect, and we have to give it a name as this poor query percentage. Okay, and we have to take this from where are we missing? Okay, we have to multiply this by 100 as well. Okay, so what we will do, cool, and from we have schema name as queries, we can do group by query name. Let's see. Oh, accepted. Perfect. Let's see. Oh yeah, submitted. Great. Cool. So next, let's jump to the next question. Okay, so we have monthly transactions. We have ID, country, state, amount, transaction date. Okay, so here we have ID is the primary key of this table. The table has information about incoming transaction. The state column is an enum of type approved or declined. Okay, write and solution. Write a SQL query to find the each month and country, the number of transaction and their total amount, and the number of approved transaction and their total amount. Oh, too much. Any order? Okay. Okay, transaction table, we have ID 1, US approved 1000 on 18. 191171. Oh, and let me expand this a little bit. We are getting month. Oh, we have to format the date. And we have country US. We made total 2 transactions. What is the primary key here? ID is the primary key. 121. Then on what basis they are just grouping these transaction count? Oh, each month and country. Like here month is 12, 12, countries US. Okay, they made total 2 transactions, and among those 2 they have 1 approved and 1 declined. Okay, 1 approved, and the transaction total amount was 3000 and approved was only 1000. Okay, same goes for 19, and for the first month country US we have 2000 and that is approved. For the first month DE we have approved 2000. Oh, okay. So let's see. Okay, what we have to select? We have to select the month, but we have to format the we have transaction date, and we need in the format y and month. Okay, so we have this. Let's give it a name as month. And next we have to get the country, which is straightforward. I'm getting some notification. Okay, it's on Twitter. Then we have to transaction count, like total transaction. So for that, what we can use this star as transaction count, cool. And then we have to sum all the approved count. Okay, so again case when state value is approved, then 1, else 0, and let me make this then as uppercase. Cool, and this should be as your approved count. And what next? Transaction total amount. Okay, then we have to sum all the amount as, let me copy this name. What time? Okay, 14 minutes. Cool. Then now I have total amount, and again I have to sum for the like approved amount. So again we will go with case when state okay, when state is approved. So when state value is approved, then we have to sum the amount value, and else 0, and this would be your approved total amount. Again this is going broader as a width. No, but if It's pretty cool and visible and readable. Okay, we have some. I believe we are getting all the columns, or we have included all the columns in the result set. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Cool. And now from transactions, and we have to group by something. But what? We have to group by something called month and the country. Let's see. Will this work? It's saying driver incorrect syntax near keyword from. Oh, no comma. Microsoft SQL invalid column name month. Why? We have month and we have this because why we are not getting the month here? Because first it evaluate the group by expression, then it goes for the select. So if it is just evaluating the group by with the name of month, but there is no month, so what we can do, we can just take this format and paste here and see, will this work? What do you think? Drop a comment. Wrong answer. Let me check. We are not getting the month. Okay, let's fix this. Believe we have to make this capitalized. Same goes here. What else? Let's see. Oh, great. Let's try to submit. Oh, it has accepted. Yeah. Great. Okay, so it's going 18 minutes. So shall we solve one more question here or just in the next video? Let's see. Okay, we will solve this question in the upcoming video. Okay, so yeah, we have solved two questions today. The queries quality and percentage, monthly transaction 1. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what you have to do. Make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and press that bell notification for the latest updates. Bye bye.